This one act of kindness gave Resident Evil 4 its most legendary moment. At the beginning of the game, Leon finds a dog trapped in a bear trap. You can simply walk away, or stop and free it. Most players think that's the end of the story, but hours later, during Leon's first battle against El Gigante, that same dog suddenly returns. The dog distracts the giant, creating openings for Leon to attack safely. It's one of Resident Evil 4's most rewarding hidden moments, all because you chose to help an animal. Sometimes, the smallest decisions can make the biggest difference.